Hi guys, good evening one and all, and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about progressive web application using Flask Python. So let's get started. Recently, Google has released progressive web apps. So a lot of people might not know this, but I just want to give you what exactly is PWA. So PWA was developed by Google. It's basically what it says is basically whenever you develop a web application, and if you add that application on your home screen, it appears as a native app, like an application. So let me actually show you your PWA Google example. Yeah, so there is so here you can see it appears as if it's an app. Okay, so you don't need to write languages in Xcode, Flutter, and stuff. You write your plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and when you add to a home screen, it appears as an app. So this basically has a lot of advantages. No hassle of the app stores and all of that. Simply you can go to the link and save it on the home screen, and it's a mobile app. I mean, pretty good, right? I mean, it's pretty popular. So as I said, PWA is going to be the next big thing for mobile web. It's pretty powerful, and of course with Python Flask you can leverage the use of Python. Yeah, so let me show you. I have an image. Unfortunately, of course, I cannot show my phone because I cannot share my iPhone screen on my Windows machine, but I did take a photograph. So here you see it appears as if it's an application. Here you can see there's no like a URL bar or something like that. It appears as if it's a native app. So here you can see I have it running on my local host. One thing that I had issue is basically I keep getting this error, unable to register service worker. But basically when I tried it on my phone, so basically I used ngrok, and then I sent this link to my phone via WhatsApp, and then I added it on the home screen. It worked. But on the website I had this small I don't know warning. I don't know why. So yeah, that's just the one thing. Okay, so to give you an idea, I created a very bare bone skeleton here. So basically here you can see I have something called as index.html. Basically very simple. It's an empty index.html. Layout is basically where I defined all my bootstrap CDN. These are the things related to the CSS and stuff. So I just have like two div tags, basically a jumbotron. I'm just saying the next big thing in Flask web app. The main thing here is serviceworker.js. That's the service worker file. So as you can see, it does all the caching. So on my current index page, app.js, style.css. So basically everything we are like caching each and everything. What else? So basically this takes care of basically whether you have installed the service worker or not. So basically the main things in PWA is app.js, manifest.json, and service worker.js. So in Flask you would basically write a routes for service worker.js. So you see, and then basically when you go to that service worker.js, you are gonna send the file service worker.js, which is nothing but this all file, right? So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna keep the template what I have done about a very simple web application in Python Flask using PWA on my GitHub account. So yeah, do check it out. And in the upcoming tutorials, we'll try to make simple applications that might help the society or community. A simple like very simple tools and web application which you can download on your phone as a native application. So yeah, I mean PWA is pretty popular. Do check it out. I'm gonna put all the code on my GitHub account. So yeah, do check it out. And if you have any more questions, list your questions in the comments, and I would be happy to help you. So thank you for watching. This is just an introduction video on PWA with Flask. As I said, I'm not an expert. I have myself learned by just watching videos and reading other people code. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you about all of these in the upcoming videos. So stay connected, man. See you in the next videos.